stuff. Yeah. Anyways. Probably not.
It's dark, it's strange. I know it's got the problem storing their stuff and how that looks. Yes, you're aware. They've been to you, and this is an ostrich than you. You're doing. This is a computer that's there, and if there's an issue, scratch. The computer, this stuff is gonna get crazy. At the same businesses, looks like they're having the fun. They're not gonna go laying it will go down. And you, sir, you're dreaming to scratch an issue. It makes you the fun, and Jacob's and all the matches. Okay. Okay, beautiful. Another egg again, and the fried. There it is in error matches. And you're getting into things. Your dance time. Hi there. And this is when they're gonna work it out the time. Dance time. Are you going to go an episode? Or are you going to go lessons? And today is the flamingo with the post. And picking it up and you can try it. I got it about pretty good. And the waist. So I'm not gonna get next time. Next, let's get our hands. Back up. Here you got the good on the waist. Get better luck and go next time. Oh now, do how can you turn it over? Looks at it. And I do your job. I could end of time. Look at that, got the going now. Okay. Fireworks might to do. It's not a crying. To beware. Jump. No. Little Jacob. Kill myself. I just changed this. No, already.